Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we're talking about TransferWise, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you cash out your TransferWise account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need to why would you need to cash out your TransferWise account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. Maybe you have an online marketing company and one of your clients prefers to pay you through TransferWise, but you want to go ahead and cash it out into your bank account. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in the TransferWise app. It's this green and black one right here. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well, but I'm going to go ahead and open up my TransferWise app now. Okay guys, I went ahead and opened up my TransferWise account. This is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to cash out your TransferWise, what you need to do is first click on the currency that you're going to be transferring out. So today I'm going to be working with US dollars. So let me click here. Okay, so once you click there, you're going to see more information about your TransferWise balance that you're going to cash out. You can see I have about 630 US dollars. Now we are going to be cashing out. So basically we're sending some of this money or all of this money into our bank account. So whether that's Bank of America, Chase, Wells Fargo, it doesn't really matter. This is a send feature. So we're going to click on send, this green button with an upward arrow. Okay, so next down here at the bottom, you're going to see all of your recipients that you can go ahead and send money from your TransferWise. So if you're cashing out to yourself, you're going to want to go ahead and choose the account that you want to transfer this to. So I've already connected my account here. This is going to be my Chase account. If you haven't already connected your bank account to TransferWise, what you're going to need to do is click right here, add a new recipient. So next you can go ahead and choose who you're cashing out your TransferWise to. If you're sending it to yourself, click on this one here. However, if it's one of these other options, someone else or some sort of business, go ahead and click there. But usually if you're cashing out, you're going to cash it out into your own bank. So let me click on myself. Okay, so this you're just going to want to go ahead and follow the prompts. First, go ahead and choose your currency. Okay, I chose US dollars. And then next you're going to need to enter in the bank account that you're going to cash out your TransferWise from. So it's going to be an ACH payment and then the name of the account holder. Make sure you use the name that appears on the bank that you're cashing out to, because if you put a different name or a different variation, it is possible that it gets kicked back. Let me go ahead and scroll down. Okay, so next you're just going to want to go ahead and follow the steps. It's pretty self-explanatory. ACH number, account number, and then the account type, so checking or savings. And then once you go through that process, you'll be added in as someone you can go ahead and cash out through TransferWise. But once again, I've already added in my bank account, so let me go ahead and jump back. Okay, so here we are back on this screen. So we're going to go ahead and choose who we're going to cash out to. So let me go ahead and choose this bank account of mine. Okay, so next you get to choose how much you would like to cash out. So for the purpose of this video, let me go ahead and just send a little bit. Okay, I chose $100. And then next it lets you know what the fee is. So for this particular transfer, it's going to cost me 39 cents through TransferWise. So the total amount that would be deducted from my balance in TransferWise for this cash out is going to be $100.39. Also, I'm filming this on a Tuesday evening and it's letting me know the money should be in my bank account as a cash out by Wednesday, so which would be tomorrow. So if that looks good, go ahead and click on this green continue button. Okay, so next this verification screen pops up. So you can go ahead and look it over, make sure the numbers are correct, because you don't want to cash out your TransferWise into somebody else's account, and also verify the fees that are going to be charged. You can go ahead and type in a reference if you want, and that way it helps you remember why you cashed out your TransferWise. If all that looks good to you and you'd still like to go ahead and cash out your TransferWise, go ahead and click on this green confirm and send button here at the bottom. Okay, next I get this confirmation screen saying that the money is sent and it's on its way to that recipient, which happens to be me. So now you just need to wait around for the cash out to complete, and it looks like it should be done by the following business day. So if you send on a Friday, it's probably not going to arrive until Monday. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to cash out your TransferWise, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.